Vice President Sara Duterte endorses re-electionist Senator Amy Marcos out of friendship and not as a reward for the hearings on former President Duterte's arrest. That's according to the presidential sister herself. Here's the report.
Senator Amy Marcos insisted the endorsement from Vice President Sara Duterte was not a reward for the hearings she conducted on former President Rodrigo Duterte's arrest. Instead, she says it was born out of their long-lasting friendship.
Ay, hindi ko naisip yun. Hindi rin niya naisip. Talagang nag-uusap na kami noon. Ako, higit sa lahat, walang mapaglagyan ng saya, pasasalamat at karangalan sa aking puso. Simulat sa poll, kaming dalawa naman talagang magkaibigan.
That's even though VP Sara's endorsement is coming a little late with just over 3 weeks to go before the midterms. Senator Amy also said their friendship remains intact even amid the ongoing warfare between their families. She also admits feeling partly responsible for convincing VP Sara to run alongside her brother, believing it may have dragged the vice president into the conflict.
Nagkakainisan lang, di ba? Yung term ng hukayin, alala ninyo yun? Nagalit yung mga Ilocano doon. Nagalit din sa akin bakit hindi ako nag-react violently. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, ano ka ba? Ba't mo sinasabi ang ganyan? Yun lang naman. Pero sa kabila nun, parang sinisisi ko rin ang sarili ko kasi parang dinamay ko siya sa gulo, nananahimik na siya. Nag-file na siya bilang mayor ng Davao, kinaladkad ko pa.
Senator Amy shared that their political ad shoot happened right after VP Sara returned from The Hague, and it was the vice president who chose black as the ad's theme.
Siya ang nagsasabi na wala siya sa mood, na talagang itim at luksa ang pakiramdam ng nakararami katulad niya. Ako naman, sabi ko, paano gagawin ng political ad yan? Makakabenta ba yan? Di ba nakakalungkot? Tignan natin at parang totoo nga naman, parang hindi naman angkop na magsayaw-sayaw, hindi naman tama na magmomotor, wala na sa lugar sa panahong ito na napakahirap ng dinadanas ng ating mga mamamayan. Tama din siya at saka ang itim, syempre nandyan yung pangalan ko, I trust Amy Marcos at yung aming paninindigan ay sinasakop rin ng itim na ipaglaban ang tama, itama ang mali.
The campaign video features Senator Amy and VP Sara wearing black and saying it reflects the current mood of the country. In response, Malacanang said President Marcos is against negative campaigning, especially when it spreads quote-unquote fake news. And Palace Press Officer Yuse Claire Castro once again clapped back at the previous administration.
Pag sinabi ba natin na itim ngayon ang kulay, mas madidescribe siguro natin nung nakaraang administrasyon na sobrang itim at ngayon ay papaliwanag sa panahon ng kasalukuyang administrasyon. Hindi man ganun pa kaputi, pero patungo na doon.
The presidential sister acknowledges that many may question her decision to align with the Dutertes instead of her brother, but says the worsening national situation pushed her to act. She also admits she's not on good terms with President Marcos, but she hopes he won't take her decision personally.
Siguro maintindihan na lamang ako na hindi na tama ang landas ng administrasyon na nanghihinayang talaga ako para sa akin. Malaking trahedya sa amin to. Sana wag masamain. Alam ko nagtampo dahil dun sa hearing.
Senator Amy also thanked PDP Laban President and Senator Robin Padilla for his endorsement. Their political ad was also shot in haste after his return from The Hague. However, despite these endorsements, Senator Amy clarified that she's not transferring to PDP Laban and remains with the Nationalista Party. Reporting for News 5, Mean Los Baños, We Are One News.